IRIS is a patent-pending circadian illumination system designed to operate within an illusory skylight. Unlike tunable fixtures that simply emit light, IRIS SkyCeilings use a virtual portal to the sky whose perceived depth mimics daylight's spatial canvas. Using two algorithms that modulate the color and light intensity within a perceived sky illusion, our senses and autonomic nervous system are seduced into recognizing time of day. The tunable lighting algorithm PRISM, which stands for Proprietary Index of Spectrum Modulations, is composed of 7 weighted wavelengths. PRISM mimics the sunrise to sunset arc with the most subtle hue and saturation gradients, lending the sky view an ethereal and translucent quality that ranges within a tunable illumination arc that spans from 2200 to 6500 Kelvin. The light intensity modulator, DIAL, stands for Daylight Intensity Algorithm, which mimics the random illumination variability inherent in daylight when clouds drift beneath the sun. By studying cloud buildup and measuring their drift patterns, Sky Factory engineers program DIAL, which mirrors the variety of Heraclitan motion, fluid and familiar, but never the same, in drifting cloud patterns. IRIS SkyCeilings provide tangible psychophysiological support in enclosed and isolated interiors where boosting occupant well-being is essential to support health and healing, as well as productivity and well-being in the workplace. IRIS can be programmed to match the sunrise to sunset time of a given facility by geographic location and time of year. IRIS can also be used as a biophilic and therapeutic feature by programming the sunrise to sunset arc to match a patient session while diagnostic, therapeutic, or other procedures take place. The IRIS illumination system is an example of applied neuroaesthetics, how biophilic compositional patterns within a properly scaled architectural portal can be modulated to yield a credible and highly therapeutic illusion of nature. In the fall of 2022, Foster and Partners and Branch Technology proposed the IRIS Circadian SkyCeilings for a unique project for NASA, the American Space Agency. While Foster and Partners designed a modular extraterrestrial habitat that leverages Branch Technology's unique approach to 3D printing to manufacture the lunar pods in off-world environments, Sky Factory was brought in to custom design a hexagonal skylight that would generate a genuine depth illusion of Earth's sky with complete circadian and ultradian rhythms modulation. The IRIS hexagonal skylights fulfilled the project's expectation for demonstrating how a spatial illusion of vertical depth could modulate color temperature to provide circadian rhythm entrainment, while also modulating light intensity to support focused attention and emotional balance. An ultradian rhythm that is responsive to daylight's organic intensity variability. Sky Factory's artistic framework of applied neuroaesthetics has been the subject of peer-reviewed studies, as well as the recipient of a Certificate of Research Excellence by the Environmental Design Research Association. Sky Factory's architecturally sound depth illusions and their pioneering fMRI neuroarchitecture research has also been presented at the Academy of Neuroscience for Architecture at the Salk Institute of Biological Sciences. In healthcare settings, IRIS SkyCeilings reduce acute stress and anxiety in patients while supporting staff wellness, emotional resilience, and mental acuity.